So the next thing we need to focus on when working with a drill press is how we're going to hold on to our tools. The tools are going to be held in the middle section of the drill press, in the spindle. Inside the spindle, we have the Jacobs chuck here. The Jacobs chuck has 3 jaws that are going to clamp down onto our tool, and they open or close by turning the outside column of the drill chuck. Now, the main tools we're going to be using on the drill press are going to be drill bits. There are 2 main areas of the drill bit that you need to know about. There is the shanked portion on the back side of the drill bit, which is the area that we want to hold onto with our Jacobs chuck, as well as the fluted portion. So the fluted portion is what's going to be doing the work and cutting into our material, as well as evacuating the chips from the end. The important reason why we need to remember the shanked portion is because that's the only place on the drill bit that we want our Jacobs chuck to be holding onto. The reason being, the shanked portion is nice and solid on the back and allows for a proper clamping area to hold onto. If we were to hold on to the fluted section, we would find that the Jacobs chuck wouldn't do a good job at holding onto our drill bit, and the drill bit will end up turning inside the Jacobs chuck, damaging the drill bit and also damaging the chuck. So we want to avoid that by always holding on to the shanked portion of the drill bit. When we're sliding our drill bit into the drill chuck, we always want to make sure that the 3 jaws are open wide enough for our drill bit to be inserted inside. So we're going to insert our drill bit inside the drill chuck. The height at which we insert our drill bit is very important because, like I said, we don't want our fluted portion to be stuck inside. So we're going to position our drill bit so that the fluted section is right outside the 3 jaws. And it's also very important that we're held within the center of the spindle. This is a common mistake that people will make, is they'll hold their drill bit off center. So the drill bit is now only being held by 2 jaws. And at first glance, it doesn't seem like it's out of place. However, when the drill bit starts spinning, it's very easily noticeable that the drill bit is spinning eccentrically along the center axis and is not going to be drilling any holes for you anytime soon. So take a second, bend over, and make sure that you're, in fact, in the center of the 3 jaws and spinning concentrically with your spindle axis. Once the drill bit is inside the drill chuck, it's also very important to use what's called a chuck key in order to properly tighten the drill chuck so that it holds onto that drill bit nice and tight.